So you might be in a situation where you took a nearly perfect photo, but you notice that you have an object or a random person that's ruining your photo. So this video will show you how to fix that, how you can remove that random person or that object from your photos on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, or 17 Pro Max devices using the cleanup tool. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's start right away. Now, I have to mention that this tool isn't reserved for iPhone 17 devices, only because you also have this tool on your iPhone 16 Pro and 15 Pro devices. So if you have any of these, you can follow my steps. I will start by opening my photo gallery, and I'm going to open a random photo on which I need to delete those things and use this tool. I have a random photo which I took a couple of days ago, and let's say I want to remove this bench and this trash can from my photo, because they are ruining my view. All I have to do is to tap on these three lines at the bottom for it to open my photo editor, and once the editor opens, you're going to see this cleanup to appear, and I will click on it to enable it. Keep in mind that if you have a 17 or 17 Pro device and you don't see Disk Cleanup Tool, then maybe you don't have Apple Intelligence enabled on your device. This tool will only appear if Apple Intelligence is on, and this is a list of devices that support the cleanup tool. So if you don't see your device on this list, that means that you won't be able to access the cleanup too. But I have a fix for that. I will show you another method of removing people without this cleanup tool, so make sure you check that video out. I'll put the link in description. Once you enable the tool, just start brushing over the object or the person which you need to remove. Just like this, wait a couple of seconds until the phone analyzes your photo and clears it out. You can see that it didn't do a perfect job, but when I zoom out a little bit, I won't notice that at all. Let's do another photo and remove these people from the beach. So tap on the edit option once again, then clean up, and brush over the people that you don't want ruining your photo. Also, I want to remove these objects from the water so that I'm left with a clear view, and I will quickly brush over them also. Those are essentially steps of using the cleanup tool on iPhone, but if you're having issues with this tool or it's just not showing up, then as I said, I'll show you an alternate way of doing this in a separate step-by-step tutorial. And this way will work on essentially any iPhone model. So make sure to check that out. If you found this video useful, then make sure to leave a like on it, and I will see you in the next video.